What's going on, you guys? Yours truly be Songbook back again with another video. In this video, I want to give you a quick overview of what's going on in the market. So right now we have US30 on the chart, and I want to go over what's likely to happen and what I see, all right, as a trader. All right. So first things first, all right. Like to go to the daily and like to go ahead and establish the overall trend. All right. So as you can see, all right, we're currently in an uptrend, all right, and we are currently, all right, in this current wedge. All right. So this is our current analysis at the moment. All right. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go to a lower time frame, all right, to kind of see exactly where we are. So if you notice, all right, I like to study the weekly, all right. So going to the weekly, all right, we see that price took a stand at this zone right here, all right, and we see that price was last respected at this zone. So we have our weekly low and our weekly high. All right. So pretty much what we're looking for a break of structure. All right. To exit this channel. All right. So right now we have a slight range in this area, but we're looking for a break of structure. All right. So once again, if we have a break of structure to the downside, all right, what we're looking for is a engulfing momentum candle to the downside. Now, once again, going off of structure, we notice that we have a very important event tomorrow, which is CPI. Now, depending on the news data, all right, this could very much likely affect the direction of the market. But once again, all right, we are paying attention to structure. All right, we have some rejection right here, and we also have some rejection in this area. As we pay attention to the areas of rejection, all right, this may give us an idea of where price is going. So once again, we want to respect the areas that show rejection because this is going to give us a sense of direction whenever we see a break of structure. So once again, once we continue to get a break of structure, all right, we're looking for a retest, and once we get that retest, all right, momentum to the downside, and we're in. So once again, this is a quick, analysis of what I'm expecting in the market currently. So we're gonna see how things go out, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, take care.